Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and accessories to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 S7 Prime Enhanced Remote Control Companion Set from LUDTBF. This product comes as a complete 8-piece accessory bundle designed to enhance your remote control experience and streamline your home entertainment setup. It's compatible with televisions and connects via Bluetooth, making it easy to integrate into most modern setups. Right out of the box, the 8-piece set impresses with its durable components, built to withstand everyday use. The setup is simple and plug-and-play, meaning you won't need to wrestle with complicated instructions or spend hours configuring it. One of the standout features of this set is the Remote Finder, a tool that ensures you never lose your remote again. This might sound small, but in practice, it's a huge convenience, especially for households where remotes tend to disappear between cushions or under furniture. The set supports up to 3 devices, allowing you to control multiple components without needing separate remotes. The materials feel solid, giving the impression that this is built to last rather than being a disposable accessory. Additionally, LUDTBF backs the product with a 1-year warranty, which adds some peace of mind for anyone concerned about durability or potential defects. Physically, the set is compact and lightweight, weighing just about a pound with dimensions of 6 by 3 by 2 inches. Despite the small size, it packs a lot of functionality and convenience into its design. For users looking to upgrade from a basic remote or simplify their entertainment setup, this bundle provides a practical solution without overwhelming complexity. While the product is currently unavailable, it remains an interesting option for those who prioritize ease of use, durability, and multi-device control in their remote accessories. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes or constantly searching for your lost controller, the 2026 S7 Prime Enhanced Remote Control Companion Set could be the upgrade you've been looking for. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed looks at the latest tech accessories.